Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting topic to discuss, achieving pink lips naturally. We'll delve into the causes of dark lips, the best ingredients to use, and share some DIY remedies to help you achieve those rosy pink lips you've always wanted. First, let's talk about the causes of dark lips. Dark lips can result from various factors, including smoking, excessive caffeine intake, dehydration, and sun exposure. Certain medications and genetics can also play a role. It's essential to address the underlying causes to achieve naturally pink lips. Now, let's talk about the best ingredients to use for achieving pink lips. Hydration is key, so look for lip balms or lip products that contain ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut oil. These ingredients help moisturize and nourish your lips, keeping them soft and supple. Additionally, you can opt for lip products with SPF to protect your lips from sun damage. DIY remedies are a fantastic way to naturally achieve pink lips. Here are a few effective methods. Regularly exfoliate your lips using a homemade sugar scrub. Simply mix sugar with honey to create a paste and gently massage it onto your lips. This will help remove dead skin cells and reveal the softer, pinker layers underneath. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent. Apply fresh lemon juice on your lips for 15 minutes, then rinse with water. Be cautious not to use this remedy too frequently, as lemon juice can be drying. Make your own natural lip balm by steeping rose petals in almond oil. Apply this balm regularly to keep your lips moisturized and tinted with a subtle pink hue. Beetroot is another natural ingredient known for its lip-enhancing properties. Grate a small piece of beetroot, mix it with a few drops of coconut oil, and apply it to your lips for a natural tint. Achieving pink lips naturally is not just about appearance, it's about taking care of your lips' health. Remember to stay hydrated, protect your lips from the sun, and avoid habits like smoking that can darken your lips. Use the right cosmetic ingredients and try out these DIY remedies for the perfect pink pout. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and skincare content. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.